Our souls are going to be spread pretty thin this go around.
Video protected.
Honda Link Assist will call emergency services after the countdown.
Video protected.
Coherent, and there definitely are a lot of Republicans, including influential Republicans in Congress, who support President Biden and the Democrats in terms of standing by Ukraine on this. I wonder if what you described as the sort of Churchill and FDR dynamic there affords any lessons for President Biden in terms of thinking about isolationism at home and thinking about people trying to score political points on him at home by problematizing national bipartisan support.
Oh no.
Holy shit. That's an idiot. That's an idiot.
I wonder how old she was. Look at this. This dumbass.
Right? Right. So, the guy took him to court somehow in the 15th century way, and the court said, we rule against you, Dyer. We rule in favor of you.
He has two choices. He can separate the families, or he can only separate the family. So either the executive order reinstates catch and release, or the executive order does nothing. Now, my inclination is going to be the executive order does a lot of nothing, but
will resolve itself naturally. He's old, after all. How many years can he have left? Joining us now is Josh Marshall, founder and editor-in-chief of Talking Points Memo. Josh, thanks for being here. Let me just...
Men and women. Beijing Choi is now one of the leading thinkers on natural language processing in the world. And as someone who has looked into the soul of AI more than most, she says the fear and speculation and excitement surrounding the science doesn't take into account the current limitations.
It's idiotic.
AI might...
It's like people skiing. Oh, he just ran into that bank. Oh, he's gonna slide into that Tesla.
What is he doing?
Uh-oh.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
Oh my god. What is he doing, dude?
Oh no. Oh, he's gonna hit that Tesla.
Oh my god. Why doesn't he just stop?
He can't. It's ice. Here he goes. He's gonna hit it. Here he comes.
Oh, dude.
Tesla.
Oh no. Oh no.
They're all running.
No. Get out of the way.
Oh, it's gonna bring it down.
Oh my god.
Oh no. You guys gotta come out.
Oh, here comes the Tesla down the hill. Oh shit. We should probably pull. Oh my.
Ah, stop the video
my
for
god,
you. Oh, they're piling up. We got video.
Oh, I hear him.
Fuck.
Oh no. Get out of the way, dude. You snowboard.
Wisconsin?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This Jeep just went around people
Look.
that try to go down the hill.
Oh,
the
shit.
Jeep's coming
Look.
still. The Jeep's
The
coming.
Jeep's still coming.
Why is he still spinning?
Oh, into the door.
Dude, this is what
Oh,
ended up
shit.
on Daily Mail like
Why is
last
he still
weekend. Look,
spinning?
he's going backwards now.
He's stuck.
Is he
look.
locked?
Yeah, dude, he's locked up. Listen.
Oh my
Just
God.
leave it there. Why does
Look.
he keep doing that?
Just stop.